Are you passionate about beauty and want to create your very own salon directory website? In this video, I will show you step by step how to create a salon directory website with a free WordPress theme. The Radius Directory free WordPress theme is absolutely stunning for creating a salon directory. Let's take a glance first how a salon directory page looks like. You will find option to add information, social profile, business hours, rating systems, and many more. Now let's start creating salon directory with this free Radius Directory WordPress theme. In the beginning, we will learn to install theme and import demo content. Go to the Appearance, Theme, Add New Theme to upload theme. For choosing file, select the exact zip file of Radius Directory WordPress theme and install it. After installing, click on Activate and get a list of required plugins to begin installing. So select all the plugins to install and click on Apply. While done, click on Return to Required Plugins Installer. And again select all of them to activate and apply. Now back to the dashboard. Then Plugins and Install Plugins. Find RT Demo Importer and click on Install Demo Content. Here now you will get a pre-built homepage to install. Here is the appearance of it. Now let's create Salon submission form with drag and drop form builder. Go to the classified listings, form builder, select the blank one to start. This is the appearance. You can copy or add any new section here. Now from the preset fields, drag category and drop it here. Then set the section title as Salon category. For the next, set the title as Salon name. Then edit the description into the salon details as title. Next, select image to drag and drop from the preset fields. Provide a section title as Salon image. Under the image, drag video URL field and drop it down. Edit its title as Salon video. Now for the next, add a new section, then drag and drop address field and change its title as Salon address. Then drag phone under the address. For next section, drag social profiles and edit its label into follow. Next, drag business hours and set its title into business hours. Next, give a name of the submission form as Submit Salon and save it. Now go to the form list and get your created form and general one. Make Submit Salon form active and delete the default one. Now we will add salon category and location. So go to the listings category to add new category. Provide a name like barber. Set the types and image. You can add any suitable one according to your preference. Now save it and let's visit the site. Now let's create locations. Give your location name. And save it. We will learn now how to submit a salon on the directory. For this, click on Add Listing and fill up this form like category barber, title of salon name, give a salon details, and provide an image for your salon. Then provide your salon address with phone number, website, and email address. To follow your salon, you can share social profile address like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, etc. Then enable and set your business hours. Finally, submit it. This form will be added in the listing archive page. Click on Home and see your ad. This is the listing details page. Here, all the customization will be seen what you have made so far. Now we will customize the website to match your style. Click Edit with Elementor on the top. And this is the interface. Start working with the title and set it as Salon category. For next, set it as Top Salon. And in the style, you can change the background color according to your choice from this color picker. Find what is remain to match in your next. Here, set the another heading as Beauty Tips. Click on Publish to save and visit it. Here is our Created Salon directory page. If you want, you can further customize it, like in the general. You can change the logo, set the alignment, button text as Add Salon, and also the menus. Go to the main menu, then all the listings and set it as All Salon. Now publish it to save. Thus easily you can create a step-by-step salon directory with Radius directory free WordPress theme. Thanks for staying with us.